Hi, I'm Joseph, and I've been coming to Sydney Energy Healing Hub for the last 2 months. I came originally to see Suzy. I was very drawn to her work when I saw her online. I came originally because I felt really stuck on my healing journey. I've been on a healing journey for the last 4.5 months, overcoming complex trauma that has manifested into a range of physical and emotional ailments and mental ailments as well. And once I started to experience some work with Suzy, work in the energy enhancement system, I was able to change a lot of my physical and mental health as well. So for example, I had a lingering cough that I was experiencing for approximately 6 weeks, and was able to clear that through coming to the Sydney Energy Healing Hub into the EESystem. I was also able to really not feel stuck anymore with my healing journey. I have more clarity, I have more direction, and my physical ailments are also improving as well. I always look forward to coming to Sydney Energy Healing Hub. It's something that I really count down to the week. I can't wait till I have a session, either with Suzy or in the energy enhancement system. And I recommend it for everyone else in Sydney to experience as well. Thank you.